Hello students, I am Aparna Kedari and I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, Sarhad College of Art, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to study the third chapter, aliphatic hydrocarbons, alkenes. Then first is the introduction of hydrocarbons. The organic compounds is consist of only carbon and hydrogen atoms are known as hydrocarbons. Then classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two broad groups. First is the aliphatic hydrocarbons and second one is the aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons means they contain benzene ring. Like for example benzene, naphthalene, anthracene. These are aromatic hydrocarbons and second class is the aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are again classified into four groups. First one is the alkanes. Alkanes they are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. They contain carbon-carbon single bond. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. For example, examples of alkane is methane, ethane, propane. Then second class is the alkene. Alkenes means it contains the carbon-carbon double bond. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Of alkene is ethene, propene, butene, anjan, 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 and general formula of CnH2n minus 2. They are unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Examples of alkyne is ethyne, propyne, butane. Next is the cyclic aliphatic hydrocarbons, and they are three-membered, four-membered, five-membered rings. For example, cyclopropane, cyclobutane. Cyclopropane is three-membered ring, cyclobutane is four-membered ring. Then next is the higher alkenes, the homologous series. What is homologous series? A set of compounds in which the members differ in composition from one another by CH2 is known as homologous series, and the members of series is known as the homologous. For example, alkane, first the ethane, the CH3CH3, it is C2S6. Then propane, this ethane, propane, butane, pentane, all members is differ by from one another by one CH2 group. Therefore, alkanes form the homologous series. Then next is the isomerism. Alkane shows isomerism. What is isomerism? The compounds having same molecular formula but different arrangement represent different structures or different compound. Such compounds are called as isomers or isomerites, and the phenomenon is called as isomerism. Isomers differ in physical as well as chemical properties. Their chemical properties are also different and their physical properties are also different. For example, isomers of C4H10. Then the molecular formula C4H10, it shows the straight chain, all carbon atoms in straight chain, that is it is butane or N-butane. All carbon atoms in straight chain. Then second isomer is the isobutane, in which the one CH3 group is at second carbon. Therefore, it is isobutane. Therefore, as molecular formula, alkane with molecular formula C4H10 shows two types of isomers, that is N-butane and isobutane. Therefore, they have same molecular formula but different arrangement. They represent different structure, that is N-butane and isobutane. Their physical and chemical properties are different. Then next is the nomenclature. The first member of alkane is methane. Its molecular formula is CH4. Then ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12, hexane C6H14, heptane C7H16, octane C818, then nonane C920, then decane, that is 10 membered alkane, 10 carbon alkane C10H22. Next is the IUPAC system of nomenclatures. Then select first rule for this, the select longest continuous chain as a parent chain and the compound is named as a derivative of this hydrocarbon. Then second rule is the carbon chain is numbered from one end to other such that the side chain bears the lowest possible number. In this example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or here from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the carbon chain, first, according to first rule, select longest continuous chain as a parent chain and then the compound named as a derivative of this hydrocarbon. Here in straight chain there are total 5 carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then according to second rule the carbon chain is numbered from one end to other to the other such that the side chains bears the lowest possible number. Here if we give numbering from this side then there is lowest number to this um, side chain. Therefore, or this carbon which bears the CH3 group. Therefore, nomenclature of this compound is 2-methylpentane. In second example, it is symmetric structure. Therefore, we can numbering from this end or this end. Therefore, one in straight chain there are total 5 carbon atoms and at third carbon the methyl substituent is present. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This carbon is third. Therefore, 3 methyl and the 5 carbon alkane is pentane. Therefore, 3 methyl pentane. If the alkyl group occurs more as once as a side chain, indicates this by prefix di, tri, tetra. To show how many such alkyl groups are present are indicated by various numbers of position of each group. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the 2 CH3 group. Therefore, numbering will start from this carbon and there are 2 methyl groups at second carbon and one methyl substituent is present at fourth carbon. Therefore the nomenclature becomes 2 2 and here 3 CH3 groups. Therefore trimethyl prefix is trimethyl pentane. Then next is the 1, 2, 3. From this side chain is at third carbon. And but when if we give numbering from this side, then this side chain is at second carbon. Therefore, numbering will start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the methyl substituent are present at the second carbon, seventh carbon and eighth carbon. Therefore, the nomenclature of this compound is 278. There are 3 methyl groups. Therefore, here is the 2 that is one methyl group is at second carbon, one methyl group is at seventh carbon and one methyl group is at eighth carbon. Therefore, 278 trimethyl decane is the nomenclature of this compound. Then next is the if two alkyl groups appears at the same position, then smaller group should be given lowest number. Here in this case 1, 2, 3 the methyl group is at third carbon and if we start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 then this ethyl group is at also third carbon. In this case if two alkyl groups here one alkyl group is methyl and second alkyl group is ethyl. Then in this case then the lowest alkyl group or smaller group should be given lowest number. Therefore, the lowest number for carbon number is 3-methyl heptane. The next is the which halide which appears so often is the alkene chemistry as the name as haloalkane. Iodine is a substituent. Here two bromines are substituent. Therefore, numbering from this side 1, 2, 3. It is 1 iodo 2 methyl propane. Then next in second example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are two bromines at second and third carbon and therefore 2, 3 dibromo because here at carbon number 2 and 3 the dibromo compound the two bromines are there. Therefore 2, 3 dibromo 3 methyl pentane. Then next is the classes of carbon and hydrogen atoms. The primary carbon atom, the carbon atom is attached to only one other carbon atom is called as primary carbon atom. Then secondary carbon atom means this carbon atom is attached to only two other carbon atom. They are directly attached. Then next is the tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom means the carbon atom is attached to only three other carbon atoms are called the tertiary carbon atom. Here is some examples here. We have methane, methane CH4. Then zero carbons attached. Therefore, it is unique. And in this second example, consider this red carbon. Then this red carbon is directly attached to second carbon, only one carbon. Therefore, it is primary carbon. In this, the red carbon is attached to two other carbon. Therefore, it is secondary carbon. These two are primary carbons. Then this carbon atom is a tertiary carbon atom because it is directly attached to three other carbon atoms, and these three carbon atoms are primary carbon atom because they are attached to only one. Therefore, the red one is the tertiary carbon. Then here it is attached to four other, therefore it is quaternary carbon. Then each hydrogen atom is designated as primary, secondary and tertiary as the atom to which it is attached. Then next is the physical properties. Physical properties of alkanes. The normal alkanes, the normal alkanes from C1 to C4 are colorless gases and C5 to C17 are colorless liquids. From C18 onwards are colorless solids. The boiling point and melting point rise as the number of carbon atoms increases. This is because intermolecular forces increases. Then, except for the very small alkanes, the boiling point rises 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for each carbon that is added to the chain. Then next, as branching increases, the molecule tends to become spherical, and the decrease due to this the decreases a surface area decreases, and the surface area are available for intermolecular attractions decreases, and melting point boiling point decreases. Therefore, as branching increases, molecule tends to acquire spherical shape, and therefore the surface area available for intermolecular attraction decreases, and therefore the boiling point and melting point of alkanes decreases as branching increases. In a group of isomeric compound, the normal compounds always give higher boiling point and melting point. For example, we consider the butane, that is molecular formula of butane is C4H10, and it shows two isomers, that is N-butane and isobutane. Isobutane is branched, therefore butane shows higher boiling point and melting point than isobutane. The increase in melting point is not so regular since intermolecular forces are crystal depends on not only upon the size of molecule but also upon the molecule is how molecule is fit into the crystal lattice. Therefore, the increase in melting point is not regular in case of alkanes because intermolecular forces is depends on its size and molecules. Also, it depends on how molecules fits into the crystal lattice. For example, N-pentane has higher melting point and boiling point than isopentane, but not for sorry here is but not but for neopentane branch alkane. Neopentane is branch alkane and melting point is higher even than N-pentane. In this case, this melting point is not regular because it melting points is not depends only on the intermolecular forces. Therefore, in first case, as branching increases, the melting point and boiling point increases. But this increase in boiling point, melting point is not regular in alkanes because intermolecular force this melting point rise in melting point and boiling point is not depend only on the intermolecular forces but it also depends on how molecule fits into the crystal lattice. Therefore, N-pentane has higher melting and boiling point than isopentane. But for neopentane, it is branch alkane, but its melting point is higher even than n-pentane. Then next is the solubility. The alkanes are non-polar in nature and therefore they are almost insoluble in water and other highly polar solvents, but readily soluble in non-polar solvent. This is the non-polar dissolves dissolves like. Therefore, alkanes are non-polar in nature, and therefore they are insoluble in water because water is polar, and other highly polar solvents. Also, it is insoluble in other highly polar solvents, but it readily soluble in non-polar solvent like benzene, ether, and chloroform because they are also non-polar in nature. Then density, the relative density increases with the size of alkane, but not more than zero point 0.8. Therefore, all alkanes have or less denser than water. This is all about the alkanes, homologous series, then classes of carbon atom and physical properties of alkane.